So there's people up here, and we haven't approached them just yet. Very polite, good girls, good boys. Yeah, trust me, I'm tempted. I'm so tempted.
I am too, but I have all this crap in my pocket. I gotta carry everything.
It's only fair. It's only fair.
What?
It's only fair that you carry everything. Charlie would happily carry everything, I'm sure, because that would just mean more attention for him. You guys are strong swimmers, huh? Yeah, you do lots of swimmies. You love swimmies. Oh no. We are running out of good traction. Just all seaweed. I think she's taking a few pictures of the dogs. Are you sure?
Bailey! 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 What are you doing?
Take a picture of me.
Silly.
Thank you. I know, Bailey, you just want attention.
Daycare. We usually take them hiking and stuff, but we decided to bring them to the beach today. Yeah, perfect day for it. Absolutely. Hi, girl. No, that's not what you think. I was going to call it fit.
Of course. You guys are doing very good. Very good walk.
This is a real man.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. Oh yeah. Charlie loves kids.
Sorry.
Charlie. We're gonna go this ways. Sheriff Bailey. I know you like the slides and the swingies too, but we can't go over there today. I only have a few minutes left of storage to take the video, so unfortunately.
Yeah, what's new about this show? Not really marked for me. You could tell like Fisher Shack Foundation.
Huh.
Well, I pull out my shack.
See, go. Jeez, go see the sign. See, go. Oh. Well, this is cool. Actual foundation from an old shack.
Out,
Yeah.
man.
Hey guys, we're gonna go back to the beach. Hold on, she's exploring. Come on. That was so hard getting pictures of her during that video. Jeez.
Whoa, what the heck?
Oh, the spiky. Yeah. You don't learn, do you? It's stuck to me, so let me play with it. Oh, Lord.
These are all dead trees. There's not a single living tree left. These are really all dead. Jar. I'm not gonna borrow a little kid.
Yeah.
Really?
Guys, wait. Wait. Come on, we go back this way. Very good. Bailey's still sniffing. Come on, Bay. Hmm.
Does this lead back on the road?
I don't know. I do
Wonder if
not
we get back to the
have my meds with me, and I don't think I took mine earlier this morning.
van. I don't know, like, jumping on the road. Hey, what are you doing?
He found a point of interest for whatever reason. Who knows what it is. Come on, Peas. Let's go. You're gonna be smellies. But yeah. Come on. I'm not gonna turn this off and I might switch to live.
Yeah, there's a really little thing over here. Sorry.
Charlie, Charlie.
Wait.
Very good weight.
Crystal, come on.
This way. Okay.